Hello, Turner Elementary students. Are you ready for your next mission? Your access has been granted. Today's mission is to take a stand against cyberbullying. If we work together as a school family, we can stop cyberbullying for good. Are you ready, Turner Bears? Let's do this. I bet you're wondering, what is cyberbullying? It's bullying that takes place on an electronic device. Your phone, computer, or iPad are all examples of electronic devices. Cyberbullies send pictures or videos to make fun of someone or to be hurtful. Cyberbullies send mean messages via text messages or on social media sites like Instagram or Snapchat. If you like or share something that makes fun of someone, you are being a bully too. If you think that you are the only one being cyberbullied, please know that you are not alone. 7 out of 10 young people experience cyberbullying. Don't be afraid to tell someone. Students that are cyberbullied often feel effects from it. They have low self-esteem and feel sad or depressed, and sometimes even think about hurting themselves. They don't always want to play with their friends because they are embarrassed because they think they're the only ones being bullied. They also struggle with schoolwork. We don't want any of our friends to feel like that. But you can make a difference. Here is how you can help. Tell a trusted adult when you see cyberbullying happening. Make sure that you let someone at school know and at home too. The adults want to help you. If it happens on an app or a website, make sure to report it on the app too. Stand up to the cyberbullies. Tell them to stop. And most importantly, do not encourage them by laughing or joining in. Bears, if you are being bullied, do not feel discouraged. Make sure you tell us. We are here to support you and want to help. Come on, Turner Bears. Together, we can work together to stop cyberbullying.